Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text on image in WordPress Elementor. Now, first things first, we're going to go ahead and make a new page from WordPress. So we've logged into our dashboard on WordPress. We're going to hover over Pages on the left and click on Add New. If you've already made a page, we'll just go ahead and simply edit that page. From here, we can go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor up at the top, and this will load up the editor for Elementor. Now, first things first, we need to go ahead and create a section. We'll go ahead and click on this plus right in the middle of the screen, and we'll select how many different columns we want in that section. For my case, I'm just going to go with one. We'll go ahead and click that, and now you can see this pink outline is our section. Over here on the left, we'll go ahead and click on Style. We'll go ahead and click on Background Type of Classic, which is the little paintbrush. Next, we'll go ahead and click on the plus here. We'll go ahead and select our image from our media library, and then we'll go down and click Select at the bottom right-hand corner. Now you'll notice that part of the image has loaded in, but because of the height of the section, we're not able to see the whole image. So to go ahead and fix that, we'll go over to Advanced, we'll go to Padding, and we'll increase the padding. And as you can see, as we increase the padding, it is going to grow the section and allow us to see more of the image. I'm going to make this section about 200 pixels in padding, both top, bottom, left, and right. Now from here, we need to go ahead and adjust it because I would actually like the person to be in view of the image. So we'll go back over to Style, we'll go ahead and select Position, and I'm going to go ahead and use Bottom Center. Now you can see this adjusts the image on the section so it fits in a little bit better. From here, we're ready to add our title. I'm going to go and click on Menu at the top, go ahead and click back to go to the list of elements, and I'll drag in a new heading. From here, I'll go ahead and type in whatever text I would like to write. Next, we can go up to Style and adjust the text color, the font size, or even the font family. I'm going to go ahead and make this a little bit larger. And because there is a little bit of brightness over here in the image, I want to make sure that it has a shadow. So I'll make sure and click Edit Shadow here. All right, that looks good to me. Next, let's go ahead and center the text. We'll go ahead and click Content and click Center. And that's just how easy it is to add text on image in WordPress Elementor. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.